Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be doing my update to the I Heart the 90s Project Pan, so if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Before we get into that though, if you're new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. Alright you guys, so this is the last video you're going to see me in this makeup and hair. Just batch filming because I have the time to do it now. And this is an update to the I Heart the 90s Project Pan. This was created by Laura. I will link her channel down below as well as all the information you need to know about this project down below. We are basically taking 90s themed prompts and connecting products to it. I am working on, I believe, 8 prompts and we've got some progress to share, so let's get right into it. So first up, I got the prompt Macarena, a Latinx owned brand, and I rolled in my Gavisi Beauty cake liners. I wanted to use each of the shades twice, so let's go through them. First, I have the shade Lemon Lush. I have used this once in the last month, so I have one more use to go. I have the shade Fringes. I had used it once already and I needed to use it one more time, which I did today. So this one I have my goal met. And then we have the shade Hairspray, which I have not used at all. So this has 2 more uses to go. Then I had the shade Platforms, which I have used once in the last month, so I have 1 more use to go. And then I have the shade Disco Fever, which I used once already and I used once in the last month. This is just the black shade, and this one I have met my goal on. So 2 of the 5 shades I've met the goal on, the 2 uses, and they will be rolling out. And so I just have to use the purple, yellow, and blue. The yellow and purple once and the blue twice. So hopefully I can just knock this out in the next month. And then I also rolled in the prompt Lion King, a black owned brand. So I chose my Lip Bar Go Off Minute Finish Face Palette. I set a usage goal, I don't remember what it was, but I had 6 uses left to go, and I've done that. I primarily used the blush and the highlight and a little bit of the contour. And this is just fine. Like, it's good, but it's not extraordinary. It's fine. I think the question will be how much I reach for it this year when it's not in a project, and then this might be decluttered. It's just not anything that's super like a standout product. Next, I had the prompt Easy Bake Oven, a product that is easy for you to pan. Last month I changed my goal to finish this, and it is the Tower 28 Lip Jelly in the shade Cashew. That's where I started. And that's where I was last update, and now I forgot to let this settle, but I'm right around here. This settles fast, so I'm just gonna let it sit and then I'll mark it, but that should be done by the next month. I love that gloss. I used it, I used that gloss 7 times, and that, or 7 days, and that could mean up to, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 reapplications. So it really varies the amount I reapply it, but it doesn't mean just 7 uses, it means 7 days worth of use. Then I got the prompt Pokemon, and that is a product that reminds you of your favorite Pokemon. I chose Bulbasaur, and I chose the Glam Shop W Zalone palette, and my goal is to hit pan on the shade Monstera. And again, I only used this once, but look at these 2 shimmers especially. They're just so beautiful, if it wants to focus. There's definitely a dip on Monstera. I think I have quite a few uses to go. Unfortunately, I only use it once, but I'm working on a lot of green shades, so this one just got set to the side for this month. Hopefully, maybe I can focus on it and get it out by the next update. And then I got the prompt, What's Up? And that was a product that is part of your morning routine. I rolled in my Huda Beauty Silk Balm. Last month I only had 3 more uses to go, so the marks have kind of worn off, but I started up around here. And then 3 uses took me to here. Sorry, it does not want to focus on this. But as you can see, I've actually finished it since I made those 3 extra uses. One of my favorite lip balms ever. I prefer the original. This was the honey version. I would 1000% repurchase the original version. I just have a lot of lip balms that are this texture that I need to get through first. And then last month I got the Prompt Bop It, a product with packaging that pumps, twists, or pulls. I chose my Urban Decay Ultra Glow Face Primer. I set a usage goal of 22 uses, and as you can see, I've made a decent bit of progress. I find I've panned the original version of this primer, and so I'm not surprised at all about the progress I've made so far. I have 10 more uses to go because I used this 12 times, so this should be done by the next update. Then I got the Prompt Goosebumps, a spooky themed product, and I chose the Shroud Cosmetics in collaboration with Batty Bean. It's freaking bats. Basically, I set a usage goal of 5 uses, showcasing each of the 5 shimmers, and also no pan left behind style. The only shades I have left to use is this one, which is Apparition, and this one, which is Grim. So I've got 2 more uses to go, but I've used all of the mattes so far and the other 3 shimmers, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't love the formula of this. It's kind of a thinner formula. I find that it doesn't really build on itself really well. I'm kind of having the same issues that I have with the Kaleidos Club Nebula palette. I like it and I'll use it, but the formula, especially for the mattes, is just not my favorite, and the shimmers don't really wow me. They're kind of a very thick shimmer, and it's just not my favorite. I really love the color story and I'll definitely get use out of it, but yeah, I was really surprised. The formula is just not for me. Then I got the Prompt Got Milk, which is a white product or packaging, and I chose my NYX Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil in the shade Milk. And I set a usage goal of 22 uses. I only used it 6 times, which means I have 16 more uses to go. I kind of forgot about this throughout the whole month, and then I kind of started just using it as eye primer towards the end of the month when I remembered it. So I'm kind of just using this exclusively as my eyeshadow primer, and it's been working out well. I really enjoy it. I just kind of forgot about it. Then I got the Prompt Dunkaroos, a food-themed product, and I chose my ColourPop in collaboration with Raw Beauty Kristi, the Spare Time, spelled like this herb, eyeliner, and I set a usage goal again of 22 uses, and I'm not going to show it because I don't want it to break. And this I used 6 times as well, so I have 26 more uses to go. So we're rolling out the Huda Beauty lip balm and the Lip Bar face palette. Sorry, I'm really tired and I'm kind of out of it, but rolling this out in this. The lip balm I preemptively rolled in a product, so I think this is like 8 to 10 products, so I think I'm gonna work on 9. Yeah, I'm just gonna roll in two new prompts because why not? So hopefully next month I'll have the Gavisi liners out, the Cashew lip gloss out, and the Urban Decay primer. Hopefully I'll have Pan and Monstera, but I can't say for sure. And then the NYX Jumbo pencil, maybe if I keep it up and use it as eye primer, and then the liner will probably be in here a few more months. But let's see how many prompts I have left. I've got 28 left to go, so we're gonna roll in 2 new prompts. Why not? 1 to 28, and let's randomize. I just filmed an update, so that's why there was a number there. So we've got 14 and 17. So 14 is a Beverly Hills 90210, a most expensive product, and 17 is Tamagotchi, a product that is not long lasting. So I'm going to take a moment, figure out what I want to work on, and I will be right back. Okay, I am back. I picked out the prompts, or the products for the prompts. Okay, so first I got Beverly Hills 90210, a most expensive product, and I decided to pick one of my Lisa Eldridge lipsticks. This is my favorite one. This is Velvet Affair, which is just like the most beautiful mid-tone caramely brown. It's beautiful. I love this, but I really want to get more use out of it. And so I'll mark it on a piece of paper of my goal line, but basically I want to get the tip of the lipstick to where this kind of angle starts. I want to get significant use on this. I don't care how long it takes. I just want to get significant use on it. I love my Lisa Eldridge lipsticks. This is my favorite shade. I just want to get good use on it and mix it up from like my project pan, the shade Cookie that I'm working on in my 2022 rolling project pan. I want to not just use that. So I'm going to roll this in. Ambitious goal, but I want to do it. And then I got the Prompt Tamagotchi, a product that is not long lasting. And I kind of had a hard time with this, especially because I didn't want to roll like a lip gloss in. So I decided to go with this NYX Epic Wear liner stick in the shade Periwinkle Pop. This was a candidate in my Deck of Panning project pan for my social media pics. This one I just find doesn't last in my waterline very long, so I felt like this was a good one to go with. I'm going to set a 22 usage goal on this as well. And yeah, that is everything I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know how your project is going down below if you are doing this as well. I can't wait to see everyone's updates. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you like down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!